Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Shifby from Pen My Blog, and today we're going to be playing around with a couple of new products from Kat Von D. And as you can see, I've kind of sort of dolled up my face with it. The eyes, of course, is the Jaclyn Hill palette, but we got a couple of new products from them, inclusive of their new liners and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to really get down to it and show you guys. So over here we have two extreme highlighters. One is in Gold School, another one is in Gamma Ray, and they've also released a new lash liner, and this one is extreme black. And let me just show you guys the pigment on this one before we get started with the tutorial. Like, look at that, look how black that is. And the best part of it all is that you can smudge it out, and I've actually used this to incorporate it into this eye look that we have going on here. So if you guys are interested to see this completed look using those products, then do remember to keep on watching. But as always, you guys do remember to click that subscribe button, show your girl some love. And with that being said, let's get down to this tutorial. Hello you guys, so today we're going to be using Jaclyn Hill and Morphe's Armed and Gorgeous palette and using the shade Excess on the crease line. Next up, we're going to be taking the shade Top Secret and basically deepening that crease. Following up, we have the Dark Magic palette, taking the shade Busted and deepening that crease even more. Now this is where it gets interesting. I'm going to be taking the Lash Liner by Kat Von D and intensifying that shade just by applying it and blending it out. To get more precision, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Concealer, and I'm just basically going to be mapping where I want the wing to sort of go, and then taking the shade Poof. I'm going to set the concealer and basically give a beautiful space right in the middle. Now we're going to create a wing, so I'm going to be using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. This is the most insanely black liner I've ever used, and it's just beautiful. Mixing the shade Busted and Inside Job, I'm going to be smoking out that lower lash line. After adding some lashes and glitter, I'm going to be taking the Hourglass Caution Mascara and putting that on my lower lash line. So for the highlighter, I'm going to be taking two from Kat Von D. One is the Liquid and another one is the Extreme Metal Crush, and both of these are in Gold School. Then we are going to be using the Hourglass Lip Stylo for the lips. And to amp everything up, I'm going to be using the shade Rose Shock. This is from the Extreme Highlighter, and basically complete the entire look. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look, and I really hope that each and every one of you enjoyed the tutorial. I know it is a little bit different with the voiceover, but I wanted this look to be really precise and, you know, really detailed for you guys. So I really do hope that tutorial kind of helped you out if you want to recreate this look, especially to those of you who have monolids or even have very scarce double eyelids like I do. I just wanted to create a look that was impactful and show you guys that, hey, we can actually create looks like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I found it helpful. And if you did, please do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, leave me a comment down below on whether this helped you out or not and what you think of this overall look. And in terms of what I think about the Kat Von D products, I think this too, I'm not talking about the color per se, but I'm just saying that this liquid mix together with this highlighter is the most beautiful combo that I've ever seen. Like, I only see this kind of highlight usually on Instagram or whenever somebody's doing like a bang on tutorial that is just amazing, and this actually really achieves that. Like, I'm staring in the monitor and I'm just thinking like, wow, that is, damn, that is beautiful. As you guys always know, Kat Von D always kills it with their liners. The pigmentation and the color payoff is just amazing. So overall, you guys, those are my thoughts on the products, and as you guys can see, it created this look right here. Hope you all thoroughly enjoyed it, and I'll see you on Friday's one. Bye guys. Mwah.